There are some new trends on Etsy right now that are absolutely killing it, and people that are using these and have listed new designs in the last month already have bestsellers. So in today's video, we're gonna cover the top trends right now that I am seeing on Etsy that are just starting so that you can start listing them as well to get those bestsellers. And a lot of these, not all of them, are actually kind of an evolution to an existing trend that you've probably seen. And this first one actually has to do with the goose trend. And you've probably seen a lot of gooses doing really well on Etsy, but there is a new specific style that I am seeing pop up with tons of popular now badges. And it is a much simpler design to this goose trend that just has a single goose, typically with a text in a curve along the top. So we have this one right here. This one listed 1 month ago. It has sold 2 times in the last 24 hours. And again, it has a popular now badge, meaning it is selling. But using my Everbee extension here, I can see that this was listed less than a month ago. It always shows 1 month, but given that we're seeing 0 sales, that means it was listed within the last month. We have this version here, off to be proud, sold 2 times in the last 24 hours. Same thing, listed in the last month, already has the bestseller badge on it. We have this one here that says outnumbered by boys, a slightly different goose, but the exact same style that we're seeing doing really well, has a bestseller tag. And again, using my Everbee extension, which you can get a BOGO free month in my description below if you want to give Everbee a try. But this one has been listed also in a month and already has registered 26 sales in the previous month and is still selling this month as well. And what I love about this trend is not only is it pretty easy to make, but it can be applied to so many different niches out there. It's hard to think of a niche that it can't be applied to. Any career, any hobby, any type. You can have a mom goose. Right here we have a reading goose. I've seen a travel goose. There are so many different niches, sub niches, so that you can still stick apart from the rest of the people doing this trend. Just get hyper fixated or hyper specific with whatever niche you're doing. Like this one here, which is an occupational therapist goose that is very, very specific. It's a very specific career, and this one is a bestseller. So this is to prove that there are numbers in small niches. Keeping on the trend of animals, I've always noticed that Etsy seems to move in trends, especially when it comes to animals. We have seen different periods with different animals kind of taking over, and right now the one that I'm seeing everywhere is raccoons. P.S. If you have Everbee and you haven't used it in a while, something you might notice that there's this tiny new bar that says show only, and you're now able to filter by bestsellers and popular nows so that you can filter out listings that maybe don't have that much data if you're trying to do current trend research like this. But I'm seeing so many feral raccoon shirts doing really well. We have this Be Kind to Feral, but the one that I'm seeing quite a bit is this just funny raccoon doing different things. So this one, he has sunglasses and he is drinking a coffee. That one is a current bestseller or popular now, listed 3 months ago. We have this version here, which is actually very similar, the raccoon drinking a drink, but this time he is drinking an energy drink, and this one is popular now. So again, when I talk about sub niches, this is a niche of people who like this drink. Just be very careful with copyrights when picking a drink. We have this popular now version, also listed in the last month. Very, very similar design, but now he is drinking a 4th of July drink. Very specific, very similar, appealing to very micro niches. We have this design here, which is a bunch of raccoons that have different kind of doctor things on. So a funny emergency room nurse raccoon. So this one was listed 2 months ago, is making 16 monthly sales. So it's kind of realistic photo of a raccoon doing something funny in a certain niche is really sticking out right now. And there's some other versions like this that just have raccoons doing funny things with funny sayings, generally unhinged or feral. But they're not just drinking drinks, they're also eating pizza. So again, this can be applied to tons of different careers, different hobbies. This can be done for different food, different types of holidays coming up, like we saw the America 250 or the 4th of July version of this design that was doing really well. This next trend is probably the fastest growing one, and it has just started popping up. I haven't found too many listings for this exact style, but the ones that do exist are popping off like this one. So it is like a vintage photo mixed with this gold text in the background, typically on a pepper shirt. So we can see this one was listed 2 months ago, and I was able to spot this one by opening up the Everbee product analytics. I went to the Everbee database, so I'm looking through all of the Etsy listings. I went to shirt, and then I turned on a filter here, and I filtered by listings created in the last 3 months. And then I'm able to sort by number of sales. And we can see this one, the growth rate is 3,300%. Again, absolutely killing it. And then I found a few more doing this exact same style in different niches with different types of customization, doing really well. So that one was a graduation one, so a senior one. This one is a Father's Day gift, so this one was more newly listed. So we actually don't have much data to it, but we know it's doing really well because it had a popular now badge, and we can see this one has sold 9 times in the last 24 hours, which is amazing for having being listed in the last month. And again, when trying to find more listings that looks like this, we have this one here, which is a dog version of this design. Same thing, listed 2 months ago, making 69 sales per month, and this one has sold 7 times in the last 24 hours. And these listings were actually created before the brand new Etsy update, where now these listings are easier to create than ever, because now on Etsy you can have up to 5 personalization boxes at your product page, including a file upload. So right when someone's ordering, they can send you the picture of their dog, of their couple, of their fiance, of their daughter, whatever customization that they want on this shirt. So you don't have to go ask them for it. It's all together right within their order. The next one is one that I have seen pop up not just on shirts. It has taken over pretty much every print on demand product that I could find. And that trend is stripes. The stripes trend is kind of an evolution of the coquette trend. So you'll notice it's often combined with bows, or a lot of times it's in a blue or pink style, similar to the old coquette trend. But we have this one here listed less than a month ago, already a bestseller and in 20 carts. Very simple, just stripes and usually a fun font and maybe a bow or an icon, but a lot of the times there's just pure text with stripes and a bow. But we have this teacher mode one doing really well. We have this big Jesus fan one right here with stripes, and this one's literally just text on it, very simple to make. We have this one here, which when I was scrolling, it had a bestseller tag, and we can see it says read more books, created a month ago and already in 20 carts. We have this one, which says hit the dang ball, and this one is a basketball shirt, and you can see that there's a big variation in how complicated or how simple a lot of these designs are, but typically the big thing that ties them all together is the stripes, and it's not just on t-shirts. If you type in mug on Etsy and using the new Everbee filters, I'm going to keep on the popular now, and I'm going to keep on the bestseller tags, and if you start scrolling, you are going to see a lot of stripes among these bestsellers, some of them turning. We have this one here, Henry's dad, Mia's dad, but this is a trend that has really started just popping up across multiple different products. If you start looking through wall art, you'll notice stripes. With every product, there's slight different design variations, but as a general trend, stripes combined with whatever print-on-demand product you want to create, that is doing very well right now, and I would start trying to get up some listings for that. So the next and final trend that I have for you, and this is probably one of the newest ones that has popped up that I've started seeing everywhere, and you might be looking at this and saying, you've seen this one on Etsy. It's actually a variation and play on this very popular design style. So if you haven't watched my other trend videos, I have talked about this trend before, and it's this orange and blue something club, farmers market club, cat mom club, cat dad club, plant dad club, something club with the different icons, and it's usually this exact color template here, and it's evolved to a messier, more chaotic version of that design, and it often looks like it's been hand sketched. This one actually looks like it's been drawn with a pen, so it's purposely messy. So this one is a Tired Mom's Book Club, so it still follows kind of the same way the text moves, and something club with some icons in the middle, but it is less of a polished version and typically looks a lot more chaotic, like this one. Or this soccer mom's version. Same thing, same kind of style of design, but different color palette, and it looks like it's more been drawn with sometimes a marker texture, a chalk texture, a pen texture, different textured versions of this design. And I've also seen kind of that marker trend or the pen trend moving and combining with some other trends as well. So if you wanted to grab an existing trend and combine it with something else, make it look pen drawn. All of these trends were pretty much plays on existing trends that I've previously talked about. So things are always evolving in trends, and maybe you can try something brand new with these trends, and you can be the person who starts that new variation of an existing trend. And PS guys, if you need help selling on Etsy, or perhaps you've been trying and you're not getting the results that you would like, I sell my new updated The Ultimate Etsy Checklist that has every single part and section and checklist and example that you need to fully get set up and to make sure that your listings are set up to actually being found on Etsy. And you can grab this in the description below. And if you guys found this video helpful at all, and if you would like me to continue with trend videos, make sure to comment trend in the comments so that I know maybe I can make a monthly version of this update for you guys. And if you could please drop a like and subscribe, that would help me so much. Thank you guys, and I will see you next week.